Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to transfer money using Lemfi. So guys, the first step, if you want to have web browse, log in your account and then with your phone number from here, write your phone number and click download the app, and then all you can see you can send write your amount you send from here, this GP currency, for example 100 GP currency, and then you receive this amount and you can transfer to friends and family over to 21 countries from here. And this is transfer fee, as you can see, zero fee you have. This is good option. You just download app guys from here, or you can download, write your phone number, for example. This is a country support this app, and or you can go to Google and download Lemfi app from Google or from App Store. Guys, you can download just the app from here and then verify your identity and then complete steps to transfer money. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. And make sure guys you verify your identity before to transfer any money. Thanks guys for watching this video.